If you're looking to add a custom LeadPages form to your WordPress site, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also introduce some great alternatives that might just serve you better in the long run. So, let's dive right in. First thing you want to do is head over to your LeadPages account. Once you're logged in, go to the Leadboxes section. Here, you'll find the form you want to embed. Create your custom form if you haven't already. This will be your lead generation tool, so make sure it's engaging and works for your target audience. Next thing you want to do is get the embed code. You'll find this option in the settings of your lead box or form, and you'll be provided with an HTML code snippet. Copy this code, you'll need it in just a second. Now, let's jump to your WordPress site. Head over to the page or post where you want to place your form. Open the page editor and switch to the HTML view. Paste the embed code from LeadPages right where you want the form to appear. If you're using the Gutenberg editor, just add a custom HTML block and paste it there. The fourth thing to check is that everything displays correctly. Sometimes WordPress themes might interfere with the design or functionality, so make sure the form is showing up as it should. If something looks off, you can always tweak it in LeadPages or try adjusting your WordPress theme settings. At this point, you'll want to save your changes and preview your page. Check that the form looks good and functions well. If the form isn't showing or there are issues with responsiveness, go back and make sure the embed code is placed correctly or try adjusting some settings in your LeadPages form. The fifth thing you might want to consider is styling. While LeadPages gives you great customization options, WordPress allows you to tweak your form even further with custom CSS. If you're comfortable with coding, you can adjust the form's look to perfectly fit your website's design. One last thing, if you're facing any issues with LeadPages integration or looking for more flexibility, you might want to explore alternatives. While LeadPages is a solid option for creating and embedding forms, some users find better results with platforms like ConvertKit or MailChimp when it comes to integrations and more advanced features. And before you go, I've got something special for you. If you sign up for LeadPages through our link, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial. But I've also included some fantastic alternatives that are better suited for certain goals and that come with their own free trial offers. Through our link, you'll get the best deal and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching.